Let me start with a truth that will shock many Kenyan professionals. A good job, yes, even your well-paying, stable job can quietly destroy your financial future. I know it sounds strange. You worked hard for that career. You earn well. You are respected. You feel comfortable. But comfort can be dangerous. Here is what I want you to think about right now. You can earn 300,000, 500,000, or even a million shillings a month and still be one emergency away from disaster. You can have the title, the benefits, the medical cover, the pension, and still retire broke. You can look successful on the outside while your financial life is collapsing quietly in the background. And you may not realize it until it's too late. By the end of this video, you'll discover why comfort is the biggest financial trap for high-earning Kenyan professionals, how your lifestyle could be stealing your future, and what you must do starting this month to reclaim control and build real financial security. In case we're meeting for the first time, my name is Manyara Kirago, and for over 20 years I've worked as a personal financial planner and coach. I have trained and mentored employees from Safaricom, KCB, Bamburi Cement, Unilever, Citibank, PwC, and many NGOs and other top institutions across Kenya. But the work closest to my heart is the one-on-one coaching I do with high-earning professionals, people just like you. Many of them were once stuck, stressed, and living paycheck to paycheck. Today, many own apartment buildings, they enjoy dependable rental income, and have achieved a level of financial independence they once thought was impossible. I don't say this to brag, only to assure you that you are in safe hands. Let's address the myths that keep so many high earners stuck. Myth number 1. A good income equals financial success. This myth is seductive because it feels true. If you earn well, surely you're doing well. But here is the truth. Income is not wealth. Income creates comfort, but comfort creates blindness. And many high earners are shocked at how fragile their finances are the moment a job ends. Myth number 2. You must look successful to be respected. The pressure to upgrade your lifestyle, schools, cars, housing, holidays is real. In Nairobi, image is currency, but every upgrade increases your fixed monthly expenses, shrinking the gap between what you earn and what you keep. And when that gap disappears, your future disappears with it. Myth number 3. My employer's pension plan or separation package will secure my retirement. This one is extremely common, but no separation package, no matter how generous, can sustain a family long term. The truth is, nobody becomes wealthy from a pension. Real wealth must come from assets you own, not benefits from your employer. The result? A high income but no assets, a good life but no freedom, and a job that feels safe until the day it isn't. So here is a guiding principle that changes everything. Your job is supposed to fund your future, not your lifestyle. Let me repeat that in different words so that it sinks in. Your salary is the engine, but your assets are the destination. If your salary only funds consumption, you will work forever. What truly secures your financial future is this: using a portion of your income while you still have a job to build income-generating assets. Assets that pay you whether you're working or not. Right now, especially in Kenya where the cost of living keeps rising and jobs are unstable and then school fees increase never stop, this principle is more important than ever. Let me share a story of someone I'll call John. John is 42 years old. He works in a major NGO in Westlands, Nairobi. Earns well, almost 600,000 per month. On paper, he looks set. But he had a problem he didn't realize. His entire income was committed to lifestyle. A house in Kilimani, international school fees, a nice car with a loan, holidays in Diani every December, a few SACCO shares here and there, and of course contributions to a money market fund that felt responsible. But every month, money came in and money flowed out. When he came to me, his confession was simple. Manyara, I earn well, but I'm tired. I'm scared of the future. I don't own anything that pays me. We did a full financial analysis, and the truth hit him hard. He was one job loss away from losing everything. Here is the beautiful part. When he applied the principle I just taught you, everything changed. He restructured his expenses, redirected the surplus into an asset building plan, studied the numbers, and within months, he bought his first multi-unit rental apartment property, an existing apartment building with established cash flow. That single decision reshaped his future. Today, his rental income covers school fees, and he's now a partner in another building. And for the first time, he told me, I finally feel safe. What John did is the exact strategy many of my clients have used to acquire 16, 24, or even bigger apartment buildings, even with demanding jobs. Let's break this down into a simple framework with 3 pillars. Pillar number 1, know where you stand. Most people have no idea what their financial position actually is. They assume they're doing well because life is comfortable. But you must ask, what assets do I own? What liabilities do I carry? What is my real monthly surplus? How long would I survive without my salary? Ignoring this leads to years of drifting. Understanding this gives you clarity, confidence, and control. Pillar number 2, decide what you truly want. Are you chasing status or freedom? Do you want to impress people or become financially independent? In Kenya, it's easy to mistake lifestyle for progress. But real progress is measured in assets, investments that grow and produce income. Pillar number 3, build the right assets. Not every asset is equal. Some drain your money, some just sit there, some pay you consistently. For busy professionals, the most powerful asset class, when done correctly, is existing high ROI multifamily rental apartments. This strategy has helped my clients generate predictable cash flow, retire early, and build generational wealth for their families. Let me address the common excuses that people give. I don't have enough money. You don't need millions sitting in the bank. You need a plan, the right financing structure, and a strategic property. Exactly what we help our clients build. It's too risky. Everything is risky when you don't know what you're doing. But existing apartments with proven cash flow reduce many of those risks. I don't know where to start. That's exactly why systems and mentorship exist, to eliminate the guesswork. What if I fail? With the right roadmap, the only true failure is never starting. Here is what you should do this month if you're serious about escaping the comfort trap. Step number 1, assess your financial reality by listing your assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Let numbers, not feelings, tell you the truth. Step number 2, clarify your goals. Are you building for cash flow, security, early retirement? Write it down. Step number 3, educate yourself by learning the key concepts like cash flow, return on investment, and debt coverage. Simple, practical metrics every investor must know. And then step number 4, build a support team because no one wins alone. Step number 5, plug into a proven system. Don't waste years guessing. Use a structured approach like the one we teach in the Financial Freedom Coaching Program. This is exactly what I help my clients do inside my coaching program. A clear system, a guided process, practical steps, no guesswork. And the reason my clients succeed while others stay stuck is because they follow a proven roadmap, not trial and error. If you're serious about breaking free from the comfort illusion, here is your next steps. Book a free one-on-one strategy session using the link in the description below. During this session, we'll first of all discover your true financial picture. You'll finally see where you really stand, clearly and confidently. We'll create a personalized roadmap to grow your income into assets. We'll discuss how to structure your savings, manage debt wisely, and identify the right investments for your situation. We'll build a coached action plan that you can start implementing immediately. You'll walk away knowing the exact steps to take to reduce anxiety, create cash flow, and begin the journey to financial freedom. This session is especially for high-earning professionals who are tired of working hard every year but not seeing meaningful progress. Slots are limited, so if this message speaks to you, book a session today. The link is in the description below. Before you go, I would love to hear from you. What is the one financial habit you feel is holding you back right now? Share it in the comments. I read every one of these. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with a colleague or a friend who needs this message. Together, we'll help more Kenyan professionals move from salary dependence to financial freedom. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.